Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix NVIDIA high GPU usage issue. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to update the NVIDIA graphics driver. For that you need to enter into your NVIDIA application. Over there, please enter into the driver. At the top right corner you may see download option, and also you may see the refresh. Please refresh it and then download it. So the second step is to check GPU usage. For that you need to enter into your task manager. Over the task manager you need to enter into the performance. So over there you may see the GPU usage. So as of now there is no GPU usage. So the third step is to close unnecessary background application. For that you need to enter into the task manager again, and please do end task all the application which is not you need. Yeah. So once you done it, our fourth step is to disable the unnecessary overlays. For that, you need to enter into the task manager once again. Over there, you need to click your any one of the unnecessary background application. Please end task it. So sometimes it may have some issue on the GPU. So the fifth step is to change power mode. For that, you need to enter into your settings. Yeah, what are the settings you need to enter into the systems, power and battery, and then please enter into the power mode which shows the plugged in balance and on battery balance. Please do click the best performance. So the sixth step is to install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings you need to enter into the Windows Update and then click check for update. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the seventh step is to run system file checker. For guys, you need to enter into your command prompt as run as administrator mode, and please copy the prompt in the description and paste it over there. So it need to be load from 0 to 100. So approximately it will take 5 to 10 minutes. So once it's done, please copy the second prompt in the description and paste it over there. Same, it need to be load from 0 to 100 for 5 to 10 minutes. You need to wait. So once it's done, please check the status whether it's success or unsuccess. If in case it shows any unsuccessful message, you need to redo the step again. So our last step is to restart your PC. I hope you enjoy the video and issue will be solved. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, tech tube. Bye bye.